everyone, this is Lauren, your pearl specialist here at the Pearl Source. Today I'm going to be going over the different color variations of Tahitian pearls. Tahitian pearls are one of the most exotic pearls on the market, with naturally diverse color variation. The most popular Tahitian pearl colors are black, green, and silver Tahitian pearls, which we offer in nearly all of our Tahitian pieces. Black Tahitian pearls are by far the most popular and selected color. Although the industry commonly refers to them as black, they're more so a dark charcoal gray. They'll still pick up some other tones in the light, like green or silver, but they're overall fairly dark without being jet black. Green Tahitian pearls have a gray body color, but with distinct green overtones. They can range from being a dark green to a light, almost pistachio-green color. Silver Tahitian pearls are typically a lighter platinum gray. Since they aren't a flat color, they can still have some hues of green and other various tones in certain light. So there you have it. We have the three overtones of Tahitian pearls: black, green, and silver.